Hello, everyone. Did you know that studies show chickpeas can reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes by up to 29%? Today, I'll talk about the amazing benefits of chickpeas, a food that nutritionists worldwide are paying attention to. You'll discover some fascinating facts you've likely never heard before. First, let me ask you a question. Do you know why chickpeas are called chickpeas? Is it just because they resemble a chick's shape? Not quite. In ancient Greece, people who ate this bean reportedly became as lively and healthy as chicks, which is how the name stuck. That's a sign of its powerful effects. So let's start with the first amazing fact. 100 grams of chickpeas contain about 19 grams of protein, making it an excellent source of plant-based protein with no cholesterol concerns. But that's not all. Chickpeas are rich in lysine, an essential amino acid that supports collagen synthesis. This helps prevent skin aging and speeds up wound healing. In fact, some say the exceptionally good skin of women in the Middle East is partly due to their frequent consumption of chickpeas. The second point might truly surprise you. It's about how chickpeas affect blood sugar control. Recent research indicates that a low glycemic index diet, including chickpeas, can reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes by about 29%, a significant benefit for diabetes management. The secret lies in chickpeas' low glycemic index, ranging from 28-32, much lower than white rice's GI of over 70. This means that even with the same portion, your blood sugar won't spike dramatically. Here's an even more interesting tidbit. Chickpeas contain isoflavones, which may enhance insulin sensitivity. In simple terms, this helps your body use insulin more effectively. Third, let's talk about chickpeas and cardiovascular health. Recent clinical studies have shown that regular chickpea consumption can lower cholesterol levels by about 7%, a notable benefit for heart health. This is thanks to the abundant fiber and potassium in chickpeas. Fiber reduces blood cholesterol, while potassium stabilizes blood pressure. Specifically, the soluble fiber in chickpeas absorbs and removes bad LDL cholesterol from the body. Fourth, let's discuss dieting. Are you struggling with weight management? Chickpeas could be a great choice. They're one of the foods that keep you full longer. Studies show that people who ate chickpeas felt fuller for longer, compared to those who ate other carbohydrate-rich foods. This is due to chickpeas' high protein and fiber content, which slow digestion and stabilize blood sugar. Chickpeas also contain resistant starch, which isn't digested in the small intestine, but reaches the colon to feed beneficial gut bacteria. This improves gut health and boosts overall metabolism. Fifth, this is especially important for women. It's about how chickpeas impact female hormone health. Chickpeas contain phytoestrogens, which may help alleviate menopausal symptoms. Research suggests that menopausal women who regularly ate chickpeas experienced improvements in symptoms like facial flushing. They may also slow the rate of bone density loss. Sixth, let's talk about brain health. Chickpeas are rich in choline, a nutrient that serves as a building block for acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that enhances memory and learning. Studies indicate that adequate choline intake can improve memory and learning, an effect that becomes even more critical as we age. Seventh, let's explore their anti-inflammatory properties. Chickpeas contain flavonoids like quercetin and kaempferol, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effects that reduce chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest threats to modern health, linked to conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. The anti-inflammatory compounds in chickpeas may help prevent these diseases. Eighth, let's discuss iron supply. This is especially relevant for pregnant women and growing children. 100 grams of chickpeas provide about 6 milliliters of iron, making it an excellent iron source. The best part? This iron is non-heme iron, which adjusts its absorption based on your body's iron stores, minimizing the risk of iron overload. That makes it both safe and effective. Ninth, let's talk about cancer prevention. Chickpeas contain saponins, which studies suggest may inhibit cancer cell growth. They're particularly linked to colorectal cancer prevention, thanks to their high fiber content. Fiber absorbs and removes intestinal toxins while promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, protecting gut health. 10th and finally, let's cover skin health. Chickpeas are rich in manganese, which supports collagen synthesis and maintains skin elasticity. Their antioxidant compounds also protect the skin from free radicals, preventing aging. In the Middle East, chickpeas have been ground into face masks for centuries. So, how should you eat chickpeas to get the most benefit? Soaking raw chickpeas in water for 8 to 12 hours and then boiling them maximizes nutrient absorption. Canned chickpeas are fine too, but rinse them to reduce sodium content. The recommended daily intake is 100–150. Eating too much can cause bloating or gas, so start with a small amount and gradually increase. Lastly, a caution: chickpeas are high in purines, so those with gout should moderate their intake. People with kidney disease should also consult a doctor to adjust protein consumption. We've just covered 10 amazing benefits of chickpeas, from blood sugar control to cancer prevention and skin health. Now you understand why chickpeas are gaining attention as a superfood. Try adding chickpeas to your diet starting tomorrow. In a few months, you're likely to notice improvements in your health. If this video helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.